We're talking with Sean Edwards of A+ Lawn and Landscape. Now, Sean, today we're talking about irrigation. First, let's start off by telling our viewers why irrigation systems are a good investment.
Well, when you do go to sell your home, it's definitely a value and helps sell the home. Another reason, it gives you a lot of free time, which time's worth something to a lot of people nowadays. And so instead of pulling that hose around the house all day long, all night long, or on the weekend, you just hit a button and it waters for you.
That's right. Now, that being said, there are correct ways to irrigate and maybe incorrect ways.
Yeah, even a lot of people with irrigation systems, we're lawn care experts, and we do other systems that other people install, and we've noticed they water every day or water at night or whatever. There's definitely a system. You don't want to water every day. That will actually make the roots stay on top. It's better to water heavy and not as frequently. And also you want to water early in the morning, 4 or 5 in the morning, because that's the best penetration into the soil, and it will wash that plant off from fungus and diseases and stuff like that.
Sean, what makes your system better than the others?
Well, I believe our design. We do a box type system design, so it waters more efficiently, it waters more evenly, and so that's a big thing, is the design. Also, we use Hunter products, which have one of the best warranties on the market, a 3-year warranty, so that really helps out too.
Sean, I've heard with water systems that there's an actual savings with the way that you use water.
Well, if you're watering your lawn traditionally with a hose, you're going to overwater, not do certain areas correctly. With an irrigation system, it's more evenly, and you can water at the correct times, early in the morning instead of late in the evening when you come home, where there's a lot of evaporation. But also, with the irrigation system, we put a backflow on, and the water, it doesn't run through your sewer, so you're not getting charged for sewer costs also. So it's just your true water costs.
Okay, well that's good. Now, I understand that irrigation systems have become high-tech.
Yeah, and another way to save water, and why it can save money from watering, is there's controllers that sync with the weather service. So if it's real cool and wet, it turns it down. If it's real hot and dry, it will actually turn it up. But also there's rain sensors on it. So if it's raining, it turns it off, so you're not watering during the rain.
That's really good. I can't tell you how many times I've seen them running and it's raining and you just wonder what's happening here, but not with A+ Lawn and Landscape irrigation systems, right?
That's correct. We want to save the water. We just want it on the lawn when it's needed.
A lot of good information about irrigation systems. What can we look forward to next week?
Landscape design and installation.
Okay, another wonderful topic. And in the meantime, you have a terrific website. Can you tell us about that?
Yep, apluslawn.com. You can get tips on lawn care, landscaping, irrigation, mowing, all of the above.
Okay, thanks a lot, Sean.
Thank you.